today I want to show you how we make Burmese salad. This recipe is from Chef Albert, and he shared the recipe how to make fermented tea leaf salad. It's traditional Burmese salad. So I'm gonna make the fermented green tea leaves first. Right here I have green tea, and it's not dry because I boiled water and I put the green tea leaves, and this is how it looks like. So it's supposed to be soft right here. I put everything here in a bowl right here. I have shredded cabbage, put it in a bowl. I have chopped cilantro. I have chopped scallion. I have grated ginger. This is grated ginger. I have lime zest right here. And I have chopped garlic. And I'm gonna put lime juice as well. And after that, I'm gonna mix it with oil. So I'm gonna get my oil after this. So we're just gonna use about 1 cup of oil. All right, I think this is it. And we can mix it together, and we can wait until 3 days before we make the actual salad.